Hello viewers. Are you looking for the top 5 best front and rear dashcam 2024 with night vision? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best front and rear dashcam 2024 with night vision. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Dashcam for cars. Car camera. Dashcam 4K Wi-Fi camera for car front and rear dash camera. Black box 24H parking mode recorder. Introducing the state-of-the-art Dashcam for cars, a 4K Wi-Fi enabled camera that ensures your vehicle's safety and security. This advanced car camera captures crystal clear footage with its ultra-high definition 4K resolution, providing unparalleled clarity for every journey. Equipped with both front and rear cameras, this dashcam covers all angles, ensuring you don't miss a moment. The Wi-Fi connectivity feature allows you to easily transfer and view recordings on your smartphone, making it convenient to share footage with insurance companies or law enforcement if needed. The dashcam also includes a black box feature which automatically locks and saves recordings of significant events, such as accidents or sudden impacts, preventing them from being overwritten. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 24H parking mode. This mode activates the camera when it detects movement or a collision, even when your car is parked and the engine is off. This provides continuous protection and peace of mind, ensuring that any incidents while you're away from your vehicle are recorded. With its sleek design and easy installation, the dashcam for cars is a must-have for any driver. Enhance your driving experience and security with this reliable, high-performance dash camera. Number 2. KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam for cars. Front and rear dual lens auto dashcam timed lapse video built-in Wi-Fi support 24H parking monitor. Introducing the KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam, a premium choice for car enthusiasts seeking comprehensive protection. This dual lens auto dashcam captures ultra-clear 4K video from both front and rear perspectives, ensuring every detail is recorded. With built-in Wi-Fi, seamlessly connect to your smartphone for instant playback and easy sharing. The time-lapse video feature offers efficient memory usage, while the 24-hour parking monitor keeps your vehicle safeguarded around the clock. Designed for reliability and ease of use, the KQQ Dashcam is your ultimate companion for safe and worry-free driving. Stay protected, stay connected with KQQ. Number 3. 4K Wi-Fi GPS Dashcam front and rear dual lens wireless dash camera for cars. Loop recording parking monitor. Car accessories. Upgrade your driving experience with our 4K Wi-Fi GPS Dashcam, featuring dual lenses for both front and rear recording. Capture every detail on the road with stunning 4K resolution and enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity. This advanced dash camera offers seamless loop recording, ensuring continuous footage without the worry of running out of space. The built-in GPS provides accurate location tracking, making it easy to review your journeys. Additionally, the parking monitor function offers peace of mind by recording any incidents while your car is parked. Perfect for enhancing vehicle security and providing crucial evidence in case of accidents, this dashcam is a must-have car accessory. Simple to install and use, it's designed to deliver reliability and performance every time you drive. Invest in safety and clarity on the road with our top-of-the-line dual-lens dash camera. Number 4. Dashcam 4K camera for car. Dashcam GPS Wi-Fi 24H parking monitor. Night vision DVR front and rear 3D VRS camera video registrator. The 4K Dashcam for car features GPS, Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking monitoring, and night vision capabilities. It includes front and rear cameras, offering comprehensive video recording. Ideal for ensuring safety and security on the road, the dashcam records high-definition footage in both daylight and low-light conditions. With its built-in GPS, the device tracks location and speed, providing accurate data for insurance claims or legal purposes. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy access to footage via a smartphone or tablet. Moreover, the 24-hour parking monitor detects any impact while the car is parked, automatically activating recording to capture incidents. This dashcam is designed as a reliable video registrator. offering peace of mind for drivers by documenting events on the road and in parking lots effectively. Number 5. 3-channel dash cam for car front and rear camera, 1080p video recorder dashcam black box car DVR rear view camera car accessory. Experience enhanced peace of mind with the 3-channel dash cam for your car. This advanced system features front and rear cameras, both recording in crisp 1080p resolution. Capture every detail of your journey with clarity, ensuring you have a reliable black box car DVR at your disposal. The rear view camera adds an extra layer of security, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. This car accessory is designed to be your trusted companion on the road, offering invaluable footage in case of incidents or accidents. Stay protected and drive with confidence knowing that the 3-channel dashcam is diligently recording your driving adventures. Whether for personal safety, insurance claims, or simply documenting your trips, this dashcam is an essential addition to any vehicle.